Coach Mami Dulce has brought in the shock troopers already for Adamson University. Nagpalit na rin siya ng libero.
Yeah.
Ano yung si Zapanta.
Pisa and Kinlog are just
Toying
playing around here.
Oy, pero huwag kang bibiro ng ganyan.
That's true. Alam mo, we've seen it happen.
Oo.
Time and time again. You've got a team that feels that they have the game in the bag already, and then suddenly they find themselves groping, and before they know it, they're in a dogfight.
And you should know this, Doc. Play that sport. When you're the opponent and you see your opponent medyo nagsiselebrate na ng konti, maaga.
Ganun,
Medyo,
Totoo.
ako
Totoo.
your competitive nature, you wanna really get back at them.
You feel you're being insulted.
Yes. Hindi pa tapos
Hindi pa tapos eh.
So let's see if UE responds here. They're down by 8.
There you go.
Makatuno. Soriano off speed. Masangkay finds his spot. Listana is the libero. Kinlog marches out. So mga shock troopers na tong nasa likod.
That's right.
Para kay Coach
The second stringers.
Mami, Pisa, Listana, and Togonon. Almost an error. Not a cup of tea talking about Soriano. And 2 straight points for UE. Coach Mami gives them the settle down signal. Oh, yun. Narinig yun.
Kanya naman.
Sabi niya, hulog-hulog lang gagawin sa inyo yan. Sabay paluan.
So may isang malakas. Paminsan-minsan may lalakas din. Galing lang.
Pero kung sa lakas lang hindi magpapatalo to si Pineda.
Oo naman.
Kanina pa to. Full swing today.
Oh yeah, definitely one of her
Better,
that's right, better days. Definitely when it comes to offense. Halos lahat ng pinalo talagang lumulusok.
That's a great attack from Bulan. The rise of the ball and then it drops with proper spin. Look at this. You don't see the rise here in this angle, but you see it go up the net and then carve down. Just a proper spin on it. Makatuno.
Oh, that's sailing outside. Yes.
Reception error. So the shock troopers have been a little shaky here with this lead. 17 serving 12. That's a 5-point lead. The highest was at 8 earlier. Oh, and that's not what you need if you're UE.
Wow, that hurts.
Kinlog, Togonon, and Soriano front line for Adamson.
A full front line there for Adamson. Ooh!
Taas na naman. Up, may inaangal si Pau. Lifting. Ano ba yung kinokontest ni...
I'm not sure because Masangkay is a back row player.
Yung tumalon?
Yes. So, di ba, bawal kasi pag back row player ka, hindi ka pwedeng tumalon and tip it over the net. You can do it underhand.
Over-receive. Masangkay. Oh, miscommunication and Soriano closes the door on that point. And papalik na dito si Guevara for Pisa. Enough experimentation for Coach Mami. She's gonna bring back her starter to close out the set. Yes,
that's right. And Coach Boy Dalistan is complaining that Pau Soriano did overreach.
So
kasi talagang andun na yung kamay ni Pau. Sa kabila. But I think that ball clearly, the intention wasn't to set it.
Ito, tingnan natin
Ilampas na dun sa spiker eh.
Oh, okay.
Even a net probably. Kasi parang sabi, mukhang tumama pa yung kamay sa net. But again, lumampas na yung bola sa attacker.
Sa attacker. Which is a key point in that argument. That's wide.
Ooh.
So Adamson coasting here. After a troublesome first set. And really, for those who've been watching, as Alquino now comes in for Adamson University. Maria Erica Alquino, originally from St. Augustine School, comes for Pau Soriano. Adamson, or sorry, UE was not the same teams from that 1918
Yeah,
count.
in the
Yung
first
sa
set.
first set talaga, nung nagkaroon ng controversy,
That's true.
controversial non-call on the dig of Sheila Pineda, as a point will be given to UE here.
That ball not going over for Tagonon. There you go.
Net.
Very clear call there.
14 serving 20.
Nice serve.
Oh, nice serve. And you know, for TV, again, you think, oh, ba't di niya nakuha yun? Papunta naman sa kanya.
Yeah.
When you're the receiver sometimes, you look at the ball sometimes, it's going left and right.
That's
left
right.
and
That's right. It's moving. Up and down sometimes.
Up and down, oh. Yun, very, very down.
Didn't even go up.
Down talaga.
Into the net. And these service errors.
Oh, yes. Ang dami rin, ha?
Dami nito, ha? Dito sa
Marami.
third set.
Nakarami.
And
Cubio
Pineda.
now.
Yeah,
Oh, si
well-deserved
Pineda.
rest for Pineda.
Marianel Diane Cubio. Ang tubong Leyte naman. From the Leyte Progressive High School. Ipinasok na, and we'll probably see the last of Sheila
Nice
Pineda.
serve there.
Saved by Nabrida. Free ball for Adamson. Or what they call around here a chance ball combination play.
Kinlog is partially blocked.
Listana saving that. Kinlog goes to the back. Back row. Tagonon was there. Makatuno back to Kinlog, and that
Yes,
is out. Check ball.
Well, 3 touches going to Kinlog. Finally getting that point on the third. Hitting it off the block.
Merong bumulong sa akin noong isang araw, abangan daw tong Adamson lalo na next year. Merong pumilit sa akin ng ganyan na taga-Adamson.
Really?
I will not name
Of course,
the source.
confidential.
Oo.
Hindi naman ako yun, di ba?
Hindi, pinauso ko lang yun.
Sabi ko na eh.
Hindi. Meron talaga
Gulo
nagsabi. Meron talaga nagsabi na abangan daw itong Adamson next year. Sabi ko nga, ngayon pa lang, abangan yun eh. Ngayon pa lang, pinoproblema na ng liga to. Dahil
That's
pangatlong
true.
sunod na panalo to. They're 3
Yes.
points away from it.
Yes, that's true. That's true. And, you know, sabi nga nila talaga, yung depensa, napakalaking bagay for any sport. And these teams are finding out how hard it is to score a point against Adamson.
Di bumabagsak yung bola,
Yes,
sabi nga
yes,
nila.
yes.
Di namamatay yung bola. 2 points away. And the development of their offense in the names
Yeah.
of Pineda,
Soriano.
and also Kinlog losing a little weight, you know.
Yes.
So yung fitness nila coming into play.
Sorry, at least ginawa mo yung dapat mong gawin. Okay, fight lang. Kailangan ko dyan yung puso eh. Yung puso. Ha, okay? Sige lang. Lalabas, ha? Hintayin mo. Kahit na nakita mong sumayin sila. Tulungan.
Siyempre, inaalalayan ni Coach Mami yung
Yeah.
baguhan, ano?
Yeah, that's right. And, you know, very interesting point that Coach Mommy Dulce has said to the new girls that are playing on the floor. Sabi niya, hindi ko naman habol dyan yung laro. Ang kailangan ko yung puso eh. What I'm giving you this chance to see if you guys can, you know, fight it out, can end this match. Huwag kayo nervyusin. You're in there already. You just have to play.
Sabi nga niya, huwag na kayo mag-sorry. Bumawi na lang kayo.
Totoo.
That's your way of apologizing. A block by Cubio and Guevara.
That's right. Sabi nga nila, Boom, you're gonna recognize the new players, the rookies, pag bawat mali niyan lilingon sa coach magsusorry.
Coach, oo.
Pag yung mga
Tama,
veterano
tama.
na,
Kasi
hindi na lumilingon.
wala na pakialam,
Hindi na
ano?
nagsusorry.
Yung mga rookies kasi may takot eh.
Oo,
Na parang papalitan ka kagad eh.
sorry. Pero pag yung mga veterano, hindi na lumilingon sa coach yan.
Not to say that they're not apologetic,
Oo naman.
pero kumbaga, alam na nila.
Totoo.
Pawi na lang sa
Pawi na
susunod na
lang,
play.
That's true.
Yung Makatuno na lang ang hindi umuupo dito para sa Adamson. And again, spectacular job. We have such
Yes,
great
yes,
setters
yes,
this year. Lisette Dawis serves here. No room for error now for UE. Rosale. At
Buhay
ball
pa
still
rin.
alive. Yun ang nga yung sinasabi ni Doc. Mahirap mamatay ang bola dito sa Adamson. Used to be the best defensive team, and that's because of Lislian Gata.
Yes.
He was the best libero many times. Oh, Masangkay! Oh, and that's it. That's it. Adamson, Lady Falcons have still not dropped a game to the UE Lady Warriors since last year.
Yes.
And they are on a 3-game winning streak. And we will come right back to wrap this baby up. (25-18, 25-14, 25-17) is the score for the 3 sets. Our Sports House play of the game. Get up to 60% off on select equipment at Sports House Red Carpet Deal.
That's right. Look at this. Sheila Pineda. Well, she did it most of the time in this game, but this one was one of her better hits. Avoiding a double block and hitting it cross-court with the right angle, avoiding the floor defense. Excellent game from Sheila Pineda.
And let's go to the best player of the game with Victor Lopez. Vic?
So Sheila, 3 games straight na kayo nanalo. Ano yung sa tingin mo yung mga keys sa mga victory niyo so far?
Pinagpo-practice na namin yung mga ginagawa namin. Tsaka nagpo-focus kami. Lahat ng ginagawa namin sobrang mahalaga.
So I'm sure naman na, lagi kayo nananalo, mahirap mag-maintain ng focus. Ano yung ginagawa niyo para ma-keep yung motivation niyo?
Inisip namin na marami na kaming pinagdaanan na hirap. Kaya mas kailangan namin maging matatag para mas manalo pa sa maraming games, sa lahat ng games.
Thank you very much, Sheila. May gusto ko bang batiin?
Hi sa family ko, kay Kian, kay Sarah, kay Ate Cookie, Vertusio family, Erica Layug, Spirita family. Belated happy birthday sa mama ni Ate Pau Sarano. Belated happy birthday kay Ina, Pisa family, Iglot, Jolo, sa lahat ng family ng teammate ko, tsaka sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Adamson.
Thank you very much, Sheila. That was Sheila Marie Pineda of the Adamson Lady Falcons. Buhay niyan.
Maraming salamat.